Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and check Haki Exp in Blox fruits. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So for the matter, let's say you have been playing your games, now you will like to see your exp, but if you're not being able to, so the thing that you have to know is to go to Misc's aura editor for you to ask that information. So once you have gone to aura editor, you will be able to ask some of the questions regarding your level, regarding your stages, but unfortunately you cannot ask the xps and it does not show as well. So if you're curious about, like, if you like to check like what is it, like what's the points, then you will have to simply keep on playing like you usually do until you reach the next stage. You can actually check out the stage of yours, so when you reach the next stage, you can simply guess it that it must have been enough for you, enough xps for you. So the only information that you can get from aura editor is about the stage you are in, and that's it. So there is no way for you to do so. So simply knowing, so keep on playing and reaching the next stage would be simply for you to think and confirm that my xps must be a lot or have been increasing by simply reaching the other stage continuously. So that is simply the way. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.